is Tatiana from Quirky Tatiana, and today I'm going to be showing you Instagram hacks. So, you know how there's those videos all the time on Instagram where it shows you how to do things, or basically hacks, like if you mess up on something, or you need to do something, or something breaks, or something breaks something. I said something so many times in that sentence, but yeah. But when those things happen, they have like a solution for everything on Instagram. So I thought I'd try out those hacks that they post on Instagram. So I'm going to be trying out 5 hacks. So yeah, go check them out. Let's get on to the video. The first thing I'm going to try is this lip stainer. Hopefully it works. I think it'll work because, you know, food coloring stains everything. But the things that I need for that will be, what's it called? A peel-off mask. And this, I'm using this one because I have a lot of peel-off masks, but this is the only one that dries clear. So this, some food coloring, and then I guess a container to mix it all up. Ooh, I forgot some things. Be right back. You'll also need something to mix it up. I'm using toothpicks. So you put the face mask. Oh, goodness gracious. See? It dries up clear. But you have to... Okay, now that's stuck on my finger. I'll put that off later. But the Instagram video says, put some face mask in there. And then mix it up with food coloring. So, okay, I put 2 drops. Hopefully that's enough. And then mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Perfect, now I got something that resembles blood. Like TV blood, movie blood. Woo! Anyways, you're supposed to place this on your lips and then let it dry until it dries, because this has no timer. So that's what I'm gonna do. My lips feel dry, because when I stick them together, they stick. See? So I'm going to take it off now. My lips are very red, by the way. Okay, the top is done. Now it's the bottom's turn. Guys, this is really hard to take off. Wow. It does stain the lips. Look at that. It looks like I painted my lips. So yeah, I'll give this an A+, but maybe... So it does work. This hack does work. But maybe if you were to try it at home, put more than what I did. I put a very small layer, so when I was trying to take it off, it literally did not want to come off. You saw me right now. I was literally pulling my whole entire lip. But yeah, it does stain my lips, because look at my lips. They're subtly painted. Tinted, I mean. Tinted. It kind of looks lopsided over here, though, because I didn't put that much. Because I was struggling. I didn't want to get it, like, on my face. So, yeah, look at that. It works! On to the next hack. Next hack is the clothes hanger hack. So, I have a clothes hanger here, and then I have my sweater here. This sweater is always on the floor because it never stays on the clothes hanger, so that's great. I dropped my glue gun. But anyway, see? I mean, I know it's like super wide, the sweater, but still, if it had some grip, it would stay. See? See what I mean? So, I'm gonna pick up my glue gun and adjust my feet. And anyways, look. It's currently heating up, but hopefully it heats up right now. And I think, yeah, I'm squeezing it out. So then what you have to do is take the hanger. Well, that's what they did. I'm just copying the videos. You have to take the hanger and then put lines. So there's one line. There's the other line. There's the last line. Basically, the hot glue should add the grip. You see this? The hot glue is supposed to add grip. I hope it works. I mean, I'm positive that it will work because it's hot glue. Hot glue already has a grip to it. It's glue. But I don't know if you understand what I mean, like what it's made out of, the hot glue. It should hold a grip on the sweater, so I'm gonna finish this up. Alright, the hot glue has dried up. Now it's the moment of truth. Will my sweater stay or will it fall? Let's see. We're gonna put it on. Look at that. It works. Oh my god, Instagram is amazing. They have a lot of hacks. Well, this is so far the second hack that I try and it works. Look at this. So now I shouldn't see my sweater on the floor all the time. So yeah. Next up is a cleaner for your makeup sponges. So some makeup sponges, the makeup does come off, but there's those times when the makeup sponges want to be so stubborn and nothing wants to come off. I'm pretty sure that happens to everybody, every girl that uses makeup. So what Instagram said to do is take some water and some dish soap. Add the dish soap in the water. Just enough. That's enough. And then take your makeup sponge. So mine's over here. You see how filthy it is? Like, even that happened because I was trying to take off all the makeup. So let's see how this goes. Simply just dunk it in there. Soak it up. Like, let it absorb all the water basically. Like this. And then leave it like that. And then once that's done, put it in the microwave for a minute. So I'm gonna go put this in the microwave and then come back, and then the sponge should be completely clean, or at least relatively clean, because I already see some of the makeup on the sponge coming out. Like, look at the water. You can see the water. It looks dirty up here. That's all the brown stuff from my makeup sponge. I also gotta mix this soap down here. But yeah, I'm gonna go put this in the microwave and I'll be right back. So I just took this out of the microwave and this is what I ended up with. The color of the water. It kind of looks like a blue, disgusting water. Like, it just looks like dirty water. And now here, oh my god, this water's hot. Okay, that's hot. But anyways, here is my makeup sponge. I need a towel. Here, let me get the towel here. Alright. So here's what I ended up with. Now remember how it looked before? You can rewind the video if you want, just check how it looked before. But oh my god, is this clean. I mean, it's still kind of dirty, but I guess that stain is staying there forever. You see this right here? It's kind of yellow because the original color of the sponge was obviously blue. You see how it's blue back here? Yeah, but over here it's like, I don't know, yellowish color. So the dish soap mixed with water, put inside the microwave, definitely works. I would definitely recommend it if you have stubborn makeup sponges or brushes. I don't know. The video showed a sponge, but you can try with brushes, I guess. I wouldn't recommend it because, actually, I don't know. You can try it. It's up to you. But yeah, here's a sponge. And it's trying to escape my grip. But yeah, it's super clean, and I'm glad with the results. So far, 3 for 3. 3 for 3 hacks work. On to the next one. The next hack is with a razor and a pair of old jeans if you don't want them, because I think the jeans do get messed up in this process. So I don't care about these jeans, so using these. And essentially the hack is to clean the razor. So see the razor? That's not focusing. But anyways, you can still tell that it's dirty. Can you see the dirtiness of it? But yeah, it's dirty. And in order to clean it, you simply just take your jeans and then just do that like if you were shaving yourself. So take this and then it's a little bit cleaner, but it's not like that clean like if it was a brand new razor. So, you see it? It did get cleaned, which is actually pretty satisfying because I can never get these things cleaned. But it didn't clean it to the point where it looks brand new, because that's what the video implied on Instagram. That it looks like it's brand new. That razor looked brand new. So, does this hack work? I will give it a so-so. And I'm saying so-so because it does clean it. Doing this on the jeans does clean the razor. However, it doesn't clean it to the point where it looks brand new. So, since it doesn't look brand new, that's why I would give it a thumbs down. But since it does clean it, I would give it a thumbs up, which is why I'm saying it's so-so. So I'm in between. This one I'm in between. So I'm not as satisfied with this one as I was with the past three. And on to the next one. This is the final hack of them all. So I have a piece of paper here, and I'm gonna write on it with the highlighter. I don't know if it works for other things, but on the video I saw it was a highlighter. So here's my highlighter. You see the mark that I made there. And then we're gonna take some lemon juice. So here's my Q-tip and my lemon. So we're gonna take some lemon juice. Okay, I think that's drenched enough. And then we're just gonna wipe it on the highlighter. So, okay, so I accidentally took the whole paper off right there, but it does work, because you see this part right here where I didn't take off the paper? Look at that. Look at that, watch. Look at this. You see? It's disappearing. That is so cool. That is so cool. Look at this, watch, look at this, look at this. That is so cool. Oh, look at me, I'm amazed. So, this hack also works. So, yeah. So, out of all of the hacks, how many hacks did I try? I tried 5 hacks. Out of 5 hacks, 4.5 worked. Remember why I say 4.5? Because the one with the razor, it did work, but it didn't work to my liking. So I gave it a so-so, which is an in-between. So yes, 4.5 out of 5 hacks worked, which I'm glad. So you guys can go try out the hacks now. Okay, Instagram is awesome. They have awesome hacks there, so yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to leave me a comment down below if you will be trying these hacks, or if you have other hacks that you would like me to try out in a video on this channel. So yeah, if you guys like see more hack videos, make sure to click up here. If you guys like see more of my videos in general, then make sure to click down here. And if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, then make sure to click the button that's right there. Just go click and you'll be subscribed. Alright, thank you guys again so much for watching. I will see you all next week. Bye!